welcome back to my channel. Bella here. If you guys are new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you're returning, welcome back. Join the fam, hit that bell notification and hit that subscribe button, and yeah, let's do this. So today I'm going to show you like some ornaments, some Christmas decor, and actually places that you can go to and get like gifts for your friends. So if you're going to buy Christmas presents, so if you're going to buy some gifts to put under your Christmas tree, this is where you should go, because this is where I'm going, and I'm definitely gonna get me an ornament for one of my girlfriends. Yes, because she has a tree, so I'm gonna get an ornament for her. I know she likes Christmas, so she's gonna put up her tree. So yeah, no doubt. Let's go to my favorite store and I'll show you guys some stuff that I would actually pick up as a present if I'm doing like exchange of gifts, or if I'm gonna buy stuff to put under the tree, and also some decor from the store. My favorite place. It is my favorite place. Like, I come here almost all the time. I pass through here so often. You would think that I buy everything in this store. I would buy everything in this store. So here we are, guys. We are at Francfranc. They already have their decor up, and they have like lots of stuff in the store. So let's go inside the store.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy sleep in heavenly peace, sleep in heavenly peace.
That was the Christmas ornament collection. I'm gonna show you the gifts right now. on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lame, misfortune seemed his lot. He got into a drifted bank and then we got upset. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle
all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
We are done in Francfranc. Yeah, we picked up something really cute, yeah, for my friends. And I know she's gonna love it. It's quite unique and it's like the last one they had left, so this one was kind of like a bestseller. That about sums up this video. If you like it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!